This is race number 4, A1 for VTA. Our corner marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. We're going to race it in less than 5. Off and running with the VTA A1 is going to be Nick Pantana out in front. He was crushing qualified. Let's see what he does here in the main event. Three-way battle for the 2-spot, helped at 47. And we're clear. Trouble over here. Thank you, Stuart. Clear. There's our race leader there on the back straightaway. Three-way battle for the second spot. Jason, Eric, and John down at the straight. Back into the center of the course.
Pull away, Jay.
Eric in third, John Valentico in fourth, going across the start finish line. Jason Mavrak is still in that 2 spot, so we got 2 fluorescent orange ones leading the way, and they come upon a little bit of lap traffic. Nick already got around Tino. Eric Falk in that 3rd spot in the black and green down the back stretch. It's got Valentico and Eber. Fire close in on them. A little action for 3rd here. And they're starting to creep up on Jason in the 2 spot as well. Getting around Tino here. Thanks, Tino.
Got to photobomb that shit whenever I can.
130 in and 330 left to go, guys. 130 in and 330 left.
Hey, you wouldn't like how worse that was.
Nick Pantana out in front by 5 seconds already. Coming up on more traffic here. The race leader coming up. Maybe that's Jake. Thanks. We'll keep going, Jake. Nick Pantana, Jason Mavrakis, and Eric Falk the last time by. Here's the battle for second across the start line. Second or third right there. For the orange versus the black and green down the back stretch. Race number 5, 12 scale 13.5. You guys should be in 10. So pull it off.
It's going to be a good time. This is like the B main, right?
We are 230 in and 230 left to go. Halfway there, guys.
35 B main.
Looks like we got a new second place driver here. Oh, and traction rolls. So Jason's going to get that 2 spot back.
I did not. Really? Yes, sir.
Eric had a taste of second just for a moment, but he's back in 3rd down the back stretch.
Okay, I'm thinking from stayed into that.
And Michael Evert's right there in the 4th spot trying to catch the green and black. 3rd across the line, and there's 4th across the line. There's our race leader across the start finish line, now down the back straightaway, Nick Pantana.
Bobby, I'm 9 years.
All right, cool. We got battery weight that was turned in, it looks like. One up racing battery weight, 1 minute and 45 seconds left to go here. Pantana, Mavrakis, and Eric Falk. Race leader down the back straightaway in that matte flow orange. Coming up on some more traffic, thank you, Tina. And our race leader will be coming up on the battle for 3rd. That is 3rd, 4th, and 1st. Over on the right-hand side, and now back into the center of the course.
Oh, I know.
Race leader coming up on Michael.
I got no choice.
1 minute left to go, guys.
Yeah.
Jake getting it wrong. Race leader down the back stretch, coming up on 3rd place, Eric. Just when he gets there, guys, I call it as much traffic as I can, and sometimes just make you aware he may not get there for another lap or 2. Door to door at the end of the straightaway, flying back out in front of Jake there. Now our 2nd place drivers, 3rd place drivers coming through.
I'm really impressed that it's not messing up the tire sauce.
Jason Mavrak is still holding on to that 2 spot in the other fluorescent orange. It's got clean air out in front of him now. 15 seconds left to go. Eric Falk still maintaining third in that black and green. VTA coming to a close here. Keep going, keep going. Man, the white flag is out when you cross the start finish line. You will be done. Jason Maverick is your double second. Nick Pantana, you're done with the win. Eric Falk, you're done with the third. Here comes Michael and waiting on Tino. And that's the race. Everybody is done. Gonna be Nick Pantana taking the win. Jason Maverick is second, and Eric Falk third. Michael Ebert, you got fourth, and Jim Young rounding out the top five, followed by Jake, Tino, and John.